ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ ವಾರ್ತೆಗರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರಹೇಶ್ವರ ಗಾರ್ಡಿಗೇಂದ್ರ.
ದಿನಾಂಕ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 29, 2025ರಂದು ಮೈಸೂರಿನ CFTRIನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಮವಾರ ನಡೆದ 44ನೇ ISMT ಕೋರ್ಸ್ನ ಸಮಾರೋಪ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಟ್ಟಿನ ಗಿರಣಿ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಪಡೆದವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಪತ್ರ ವಿತರಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ CFTRI ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶೈಲಜಾ, CFTRI ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಗಿರಿಧರ್ ಪರ್ವತ, ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರೇವತಿ ಭಾಸ್ಕರನ್, ಸಂಚಾಲಕ ಎಂ ಶರವಣನ್ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
We produce 115 million metric tons of wheat. We are second after China. And when you talk about the processing of wheat, basically the processing is carried out to convert into the flour, and that is what we have the school where we do the certificate course into the flour milling technology. Out of 115 million metric ton, we are almost 60 to 65 that goes to the whole grain milling, where we convert into the whole wheat flour, we call it as the atta.
Development Group at Council of Scientific and Industrial Research Headquarters, New Delhi, a new vertical initiated by CSIR. She works closely with DG CSIR to catalyze new business opportunities by speed networking with industries, establish linkages with line ministries, and create collaborative platforms for tapping businesses, besides conceiving CSR projects, mentoring the BD groups at 37 CSR labs, and working on specific R&D related assignments. She brings more than 3 decades of rich professional experience. Her career includes 26 years as a polymers and functional materials scientist, and later as an SMT strategist, leading business development and research management as chief scientist at CSIR IACT Hyderabad. She started her career as Scientist B at Polymers and Functional Materials Department of CSIR IACT in the year 1993 after completing her PhD in Polymer Chemistry from Osmania University, MSc and MPhil in Chemistry from University of Hyderabad. She has worked on several projects of national relevance sponsored by government and private industries, and supervised 4 PhD students, 25 master's students, and has 35 publications in reputed international journals. She was awarded with CSIR DAD Fellowship in the year 1996 and was deputed to University of Kiel, Germany for a period of 1 year to pursue advanced research studies.
SMT, a very proud moment for all of you. After a 1 year long of hard work and learning, today you're going to get your certificates and you will go into the market and try to see where you can get placed, or if you all are wanting to start a startup, right? Or some must be having a family business of already have existing milling, and they would like to integrate themselves into that and bring in new knowledge and value addition to that existing businesses. So wish you all a very, very happy and joyous journey of whatever you wish to embark on after receiving these certificates and after your stay.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರ್ತೆಗರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗೋಣ. ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನದಾಳದ ಗರಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನದಾಳದ ಗರಿ. ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭಾವನೆಗಳ ಗರಿ. ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ, ನಾಡಿನ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಗರಿ.
ಮನೆ ಮನಗಳ ಗರಿದು ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ, ತನುಮನ ಧನಗಳ ಗರಿದು ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ, ವಿಶ್ವದ ದೇಶದ ನಾಡಿನ ಗರಿದು ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ. ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ 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 ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನದಾಳದ ಗರಿ.